Hi, today I'll show you how to send your widgets to other users. This is extremely useful if you've created a widget to streamline your business workflows and want to share it with the rest of your team. Let's get started. We already have a widget that we've created. To share it, tap the kebab menu in the top right corner. Then select Share. Here you'll need to enter the email address associated with the account you want to share the widget with. It's important that the other user confirms their email after signing up. You can enter the address manually or copy it to your computer, after which you can select it on your smartphone screen. If the widget is sent successfully, you'll see a notification on the screen. After that, the other user will receive a message at the specified email address stating that a widget has been sent to them. This message will include the name of the user who sent it and the widget's name. In our case, we sent a widget for Discord, which was named accordingly, and a description of the widget, where you can briefly describe its functionality after creation. The widget will automatically appear for the recipient the next time they launch Keyboard Extension. If our application is already running at that moment, they need to right-click on its icon in the system tray and select Check for Updates. The widget will be added automatically, and they will be able to use it. Let's open Discord to check it out. The widget you received launches automatically. Now let's open the kebab menu to see the available actions. The new owner of the widget cannot edit or duplicate it. These actions are available only to the creator. However, they can share it with other users, or they can unsubscribe, after which the widget will disappear from that account. Share your widgets with friends and colleagues to make their lives easier. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of Keyboard Extension.